Hello folks, today I wanted to talk to you about how come we get this kind of rot on our fascia boards. You see how I got all this rot? Well, this is a perfect example because I'm up on this roof looking at this other roof so I could see it better for you. And you can see how bad it is all the way up and down, but you also see exactly where it's worse and why it's happening. You see my gutter. For one, my gutter right in through here is not connected; it's just hanging. And I'm missing some fascia and soffit, or fascia, I should say, that unsoffit, but you can't see that from here. But what we're trying to show here is that what happens is water comes off my roof here and gets down inside of my gutter, especially in the rain. If we have heavy rains, then it separates it and gets in behind of the shingles up on my fascia board and then rots it away. Also, what happens is during the winter time in this part of the country that we get is that we have a lot of water that fills up my gutter, and then it freezes, and then it backs up, swells up, and goes back up underneath and behind the gutter. So this is how come, if you're going to have gutter, how come it's important to make sure it's sealed tight, secured, and make sure that you have no kind of leaks that can get in behind it, and your gutters are not full of debris. That's a big thing right there. And this is going to be a costly mess. So anyway, folks, hope this has been educational. Share with your friends and family. Hit like, subscribe, and let them, help other folks out. When you help us, we can help others, and this is a blessing for all of us. Thanks, folks. God bless you. Thank you. Have a great day.